This is a 2016 Mercedes-Benz C63S, black over black leather interior, dual power seats, memory seating on both sides, leather and Alcantara AMG flat bottom steering wheel, paddle shifters, keyless go, navigation, satellite radio, electronic climate control, traction control, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat. Aluminum wheels, backup camera. There's a look at the trunk. The rear seats fold down for additional storage. This vehicle is powered by a twin turbo 4-liter engine, so it's got lots of power. And like all pre-owned vehicles, a Mercedes-Benz of Wesley Chapel, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.